Your facility deserves dependable systems that protect, automate, and streamline operations. At FCI, LLC, we specialize in access control systems and gate automation, designed for commercial, industrial, and agricultural environments. Whether you're replacing outdated equipment, improving site security, or preparing for future growth, we deliver long-lasting systems that keep your operations running efficiently. We install and supply automated gates, keypad entry systems, commercial doors, and fencing, everything needed to secure and modernize your site. Our experienced team works closely with facility maintenance teams, contractors, and project managers to deliver practical solutions that keep things moving and get the job done right. We're proud to be a proven partner in access control systems and gate automation that work, partnered with trusted brands like LiftMaster, Wayne Dalton, and Chamberlain Group to ensure performance and reliability. FCI LLC delivers reliable systems and expert support to help your team operate smarter and safer. Ready to take the next step? Visit fcillc.co or call 800-277-3230 to learn more about our access control systems. Solutions built to last and backed by trusted brands.